Good evening, friends. In the last video, sir, we covered very clearly up to how many problems, three problems we have seen. What is the first problem, sir? So, which is used to check whether the given number is even number or odd number or invalid. For this, we have provided the solution. Okay. Then, next and after that, sir, how to check whether the given number is even or odd? Sir, in that, again, there are sub cases are there. Like if it is even, we have to print wide. If it is odd, sir, if it is odd, we have to print wide. If it is even, sir, we need to check the range of the numbers. Okay, we need to check the range of the numbers, sir. Based on that, okay, sir, based on that, how you can able to solve the problems, sir, I explained very clearly by taking some examples. Okay, sir, next and after that, sir, we have seen one more program which is related to the leap year. Sir, how you can able to check whether the given year is leap year or not? Sir, for this we have two conditions are there. So if the year is not a century year and if it is divisible by 4, then that year is said to be leap year. What is the second constraint? Sir, if the given year is not a century, sorry, if it is a century year, then that year should be divisible by 400. So if any one of these two cases are satisfied, then that year is leap year. Sir, I explained very clearly by taking example in C, Java and Python. But in Python, we have one more version is there. What is that version? There is one predefined module is there with the name calendar. So by importing that calendar module into your program, sir, you can able to check whether that year is leap year or not. Sir, there is a function with name is leap which will return either true or false. Okay, so all these challenges we covered in the last video. Now in today's session, sir, I need to go for the next challenge, which is nothing but LBP4. Okay, sir, we will see this challenge and how it is going to work. Okay, sir, one more thing, someone is asking the question, sir, how to get HackerRank account? Very simple, sir. You need to log in so with your Gmail account itself. Okay, sir, we will provide the link after payment of a fee, all these things. Of course, till that we have to use this temporary link. So www.sirhackerrank.com/LBP test. Sir, you can able to see this is nothing but a link. So if anyone interested, yes, please practice the programs, sir, which I provided in the chart window. Now, sir, if you open that link, you are going to get like this. You need to enter into the contest. Already three problems we solved. Okay, we are going to see fourth problem now. Sir, what is the fourth problem? Sir, observe carefully. You can able to see here. Sir, the e-commerce website company Bookshelf wishes to analyze its monthly sales data between the minimum range 30 to the maximum range 100. Sir, they are going to analyze their monthly data, sir. They are going to analyze their monthly sales data. Okay, and the company has categorized these book sales into 4 groups. Sir, they have categorized all the book sales into how many groups, sir? 4 groups. What is the first group? 30 to 50, it is called as group D. Sir, 51 to 60, C group. 61 to 80, B group. 81 to 100, A group. And have you observed here? So with the help of these groups, the company will know which stock they should increase or which stock they should decrease in their inventory for the next month. So for the next month, sales increasing or decreasing, so that issue will be depends on the previous month sales group, sir. Okay, suppose if the product is in A group, sir, they can increase the products in that area. Okay, sir, if the sale is in D group, sir, is there any necessity to increase the product, sir? No. So that will be based on this group, and we have to write an algorithm So to find the group for the given book sale count, sir, we have to supply an input number. They are going to give an integer value which represent sale count, and we have to check which group it belongs to. That is nothing but our requirement, sir. Okay, sir. For this, we need to write the algorithm. Sir, first I will explain this process with the help of one simple logic, sir. What is the logic here is, if the value of n is greater than or equal to 30. Sir, if the value of n is greater than or equal to 30 and the value of less than 100. So if it is the case, then only we have to do this job. Sir, in this again, multiple conditions are there. If the value of n is greater than or equal to 30 and n value is less than or equal to 50, then we have to print it is in D grade. Else, if the value of n is greater than or equal to 51 and if it is less than or equal to 60, sir, we have to print it is going to be printed in C grade. Sir, else if it is greater than or equal to 61 and if it is less than or equal to, sir, 80, okay, then we have to print it in which grade, sir? B grade. Sir, else we need to print it in which grade? A grade. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, I think this algorithm is very clear for you people. So we need to solve this problem in C language, in Java, and then Python. In these three languages, we have to implement the code, sir. Could you please confirm? Do you have any doubts in this programming challenge, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Any doubts, sir? Okay. Yes, sir. Now, sir, I am going to take C language implementation first. Let me go for C language implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this in C language? Let us see. Okay, sir, I am selecting the programming language as a C. Some sample test cases they have given. If the number is 57, output is C. If the number is 99, output is A. Like this, we have to check. Okay, sir, integer n we have to read from the user. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand n we have. So if the value of n is greater than or equal to 30 and the value of n is less than or equal to 100, then only we have to do this job. Otherwise, sir, they have not given any message to be printed, or is there or not, we will see. Okay, sir, what is the internal conditions? If the value of n is greater than or equal to 30 and the value of n is less than or equal to 50, sir, then we have to print the message saying D. Okay, next, sir, else if the value of n is greater than or equal to 51, so under the value of n is less than or equal to 60. Okay, sir, then we have to print the message called C. Sir, else if the value of n is greater than or equal to, sir, 61 and the value of n is less than or equal to 80. Sir, if it is the case, sir, we have to print sir, B. Else, if any one of the case is not satisfied, sir, I am printing A. Have you observed? If it is lies between 30 and 50, the message D we have to print. That means that is in D category. If it is in 51 to 60, C category. If it is in 61 to 80, we have to print B category. Otherwise, we have to print A. Let me run the code. So both the test cases are clear, and let us submit the code for final approval. Okay, let us submit the code for final approval. So some test cases are failing. So maybe there is a problem. Sir, we can see, is there any message, sir? A character which is representing the group of given cell count, or they are printing invalid. That means what? If the data is not in between this range, sir, they are expecting else message to be invalid. Like this. So we have to read the problem statement very clearly and then we have to implement, sir. Sir, let me run the code now. Of course, sample test cases are going to be passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, I hope you can able to see all the remaining test cases also passed, sir. Now let me submit the code. Yes, let me copy paste this code for your reference. This is nothing but C language implementation. Now I want to implement the same thing by using Java. Sir, the logic is the same, sir. Which things they are going to change? Sir, only input and output statements are going to be changed, except that remaining things will be same, sir. Only input and output statements are going to be varied, sir, except that remaining things will be same. Okay, sir, I am taking scanner. Okay, scanner obj is equal to new scanner. I am taking a new scanner object integer. Sir, n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Sir, what is the primary condition? If n is greater than or equal to 30 and n is less than or equal to 100, sir, then we have to do else. Sir, we have another alternative is there. What is that message we have to print, sir? Invalid. Sir, if this condition is satisfied, and again we have to check n is greater than or equal to 30 and n is less than or equal to 50. So which message I want to print here? System dot out dot println of d. Else if n is greater than or equal to 51 and n is less than or equal to 60, then I want to print system dot out dot println of sir, I want to print C. Sir, else if n is greater than or equal to sir 61 and n is less than or equal to sir 80, then sir, we need to print the message system dot out dot println of sir B. Else if all these test cases are not satisfied, system dot out dot println of A I am printing. Okay, let me run the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied, and let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, so this is nothing but what we have. Now let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to implement this problem by using Python. So how you can able to do? Only IO statements are going to be changed, right? So n is equal to int of input I am taking. Okay, if n is greater than or equal to 30 and n is less than or equal to 100, again n is greater than or equal to 30 and n is less than or equal to 50, because in C++, Java, we have ampersand symbol is there for checking and operation. But in Python, sir, how to check and operation? We have to type the word called and. If it is R, we have to type the word called R. Now I am printing here. The message is nothing but D. Okay, sir, elif n is greater than or equal to sir 51 and the value of n is less than or equal to sir 60, which message we have to print? Sir, printf I am going to print C. Sir, elif the value of n is greater than or equal to 61 and n is less than or equal to 80. Sir, if it is the case, then we have to print B. Okay, sir, else we have to print the message called A. That's all. So else if the first condition is not satisfied, they are expecting the message called invalid. Okay, now sir, we need to run the program to check whether these sample test cases are working or not. Yes, successfully all the test cases are working, sir. Now we need to submit the program for final approval. Sir, you can see here all the final test cases are satisfied or not. Yes, this is the way, sir, how you can able to implement in Python. Could you please confirm, sir? Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? I request everyone to respond. Could you please confirm, sir? Up to this, do you have any doubts? Okay. Now, so let me go for the next problem, LBP number 5. Sir, what is this fifth problem? Return the next number from the integer we passed. Sir, we have to return the next number from the integer we passed. Sir, very simple, sir. Implement a program that takes a number as an argument, and we have to increase its value by +1, and we have to return the result. Nothing but read the value of n and print n plus 1. Beyond that, nothing is there here. But in C language, sir, we have one operator is there which is used to increase its value by 1 unit. Sir, could you please confirm anyone what is that operator, sir? Please post it on chat window. If you know that operator, could you please post it on chat window? Yes, we have increment operator is there. Sir, in the increment also, we have two types are there, sir. One is a pre-increment, second one is post-increment. Post-increment means what? Sir, after printing the value, so its value will be incremented by 1 unit. Okay, but in the case of a pre-increment, first we have to use the value, then it will be incremented. Sir, beyond that, nothing is there. Let me go for direct C language implementation. Okay, I am doing the program by using C language implementation. Okay, let me go with LBP 5. Yes, let me go with C language, and here I'm going to select like this integer n value. Sir, we have to read this value from the user, %d comma ampersand n. Okay, next, and after that, sir, I'm printing the value directly. Print a %d. Sir, don't take n plus plus. That means what? It will print the n value. Later, it will perform increment operation. In such cases, we have to take plus plus n. So first incrementation will be done, then it will print, sir. This is nothing but a simple C code, how you can able to write. Okay, sir, I want to implement the same program, sir, by using Java. Okay, by using Java implementation. Okay, by using Java implementation, I want to solve this problem. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Sir, very simple, sir. Let me take this problem statement and go to Java. So here scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of within bracket system.in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading an integer value from the user. System dot out dot println of, as usual here also plus plus n I am taking. So that what will happen? It will increase its value by 1 unit, sir, and it will print. Let me submit the code, and you can see this is nothing but the result what we have. Okay. Now, sir, I want to go with Python. Sir, do you know one important point that I need to explain for you people? What is that point is, sir, there is no increment and decrement operators in Python. Sir, in Python, we don't have any increment or decrement operators. So if you want to do anything, you need to do manually, sir. Okay, sir, how to do that? N is equal to, sir, int of input. Okay, sir, n is, first we have to add one value and assign to the same variable. N is equal to n plus 1. Or, sir, if you want, you can take n plus is equal to 1. I hope you know about this assignment operator, plus equal to. Okay, so compound assignment, it is called as compound assignment. Sir, there are three types of assignments are there. If you are assigning x is equal to 10, it is a simple assignment. Sir, if you are assigning x is equal to, sir, y is equal to, z is equal to 11, compound assignment, sorry, chained assignment. Sir, x plus is equal to 10 means what? Sir, x is equal to x plus 10. Okay, These type of assignments are there. Sir, after this I'm printing the value of n. That's all. Automatically its value will be incremented by 1 unit and it is going to print. Yes, both the test cases are passed and let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, sir, this is nothing but how you can able to solve this LBP number 5, sir. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to these 5 challenges? Please confirm. Yeah, sir, with this all the demo sessions has been completed. The next class will be from Monday. Okay, so from the Monday you need to pay the fee to attend these sessions. Okay, yeah, thank you.